Well, I've just been up to Lidl and look what I've found at the side of the road on Mansfield Road. A Wolseley 1500 OFO291. I've just checked the web page and it says it was first taxed in 1968, this, but the number plate doesn't intimate that, so maybe it's had a private number plate fitted, or it is earlier. I would have thought this maybe was 1958 or early 60s.
It's 1958.
It is 1950. Is it yours, sir? Yeah. I'm in Alfred and I've just seen this beautiful Wolseley 1500. Talking to the owner, Glynn, he's had it for a couple of years. It's a 1958 model that was first registered on the Isle of Man and then came to the UK, so therefore had to be re-registered in 1968. But it's absolutely beautiful condition. And just look at the engine. Glynn was saying he hadn't started it for a few months, got in, turned it, and it went. Just look how simple that engine is. Nothing technical about that. We'll just have a quick look around it. I'll just pause it here and continue. But it's an absolute beautiful, beautiful example. And Glynn was saying that there is how you date this actual model, because the later ones, the chrome goes across to the front. But just look how beautiful it is. What absolute fantastic condition. Really, really nice. The dash inside, it's all walnut. I wonder if I can have just a quick look inside. Just let me ask him. Well, just look inside there. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm really, really impressed with this. And Glynn, thank you for letting me have a look round. I really, really appreciate that.
No more.
What a lovely car you've got. Remember, every day's a bonus. Well, I never dreamt of this, Glynn says. Hop in, I'll take you for a ride. I mean, how fantastic is that? Just listen to that engine. Wow. That sounds really sweet, the engine, doesn't it? Is that the original mileage, 78,000?
That's what we're on it when I bought it.
Yeah.
And I zeroed it because on insurance I'd got it on limited mileage of 1,500 a year.
Yes.
I didn't think I'd be doing any more than that anyway, which I haven't.
No.
So I've just left it and 732 miles, that's all I've done in it since I've had it.
Crikey. And how long you had it? 2 years?
Yeah. Well, it'll be coming up 2 years.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely fantastic.
Well, nipple, can't feel nil.
Yeah.
And what I like about this, they're very low gear.
Right.
I mean, I've no need to change gear now at all.
And that's in fourth?
That's 4. And it'll fly up here without changing down.
Goodness me. That's a steady 60, isn't it?
Bearing in mind that's probably 5 mile an hour out.
Like 5. They allow 10%, don't they?
But it's not easy enough.
Oh. Wow.
It's not very often you get to ride in a 70-year-old car, is it?
No, it's not. Oh, bless you.
I'll just whip round here.
Yeah. Yeah, I was born in 59, so it's a year older than me. Oh, beautiful. So, was this for the radio?
Yeah. Yeah, there'd be a speaker at the back of that.
Yeah.
And your radio would fit there.
All right, lovely.
I don't bother.
No,
I'd sooner listen to the engine.
I think you're right. Wow. Fantastic.
away with this because you don't realise how fast you go.
I can imagine, yes.
I mean, in the day, these were designed to take the Morris 1100, the Morris 1000.
Oh yeah.
They were going to replace the Morris 1000, like an updated Morris 1000, if you like.
Yes.
The Morris 1000 were doing so well at the time, they just kept it going, and it's still going now. So I've been told.
Yes.
And if you look on YouTube, you'll see where other folks have said saying so.
Yeah. Oh, brilliant. Oh, this is absolutely fantastic. This has made my day. You don't realise it's absolutely brilliant. You know, for just to be able to see the car. I saw you go up the street and turn round a few times up by Lidl, obviously waiting for a parking spot. And I thought, I hope I can see that. And wow, I've gone that step further.
It looks like you got your wish.
Oh, thank you.
Look at the third gear, and it's just setting off as if you're in first.
Yeah. That's unbelievable. Ah, bless you. Wow, this is absolutely brilliant. So if you like, you can just pull up in front of this white car.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, mate.
Because I can take the back entrance to where I live.
Anywhere here.
Anywhere here, absolutely fantastic. Thank you. Thank you very much, Glynn.
Not a problem.
Really much appreciated. Oh, thank you, Glynn. Once again, you're an absolute gentleman. Really, really appreciate it. And we'll see you soon.
Not a problem.
Well, that was unexpected. Every day's a bonus.